Okay, your kitchen countertop, the color called Spring Carnival. It's a nice mixture of white, a little bit of beige, a little bit of gray, kind of goes with everything. Cabinet color is called Slate. It's a grayish blue. As you can see, Whirlpool range, Whirlpool microwave, and the Whirlpool dishwasher set in here. This is where your fridge would go. Tilt you up sideways, that's going to be terrible. Cabinets above the fridge, and to the left, and then your pantry. Good sized pantry. And again, there's room up top for more shelves. In your back living area, you have two large windows outside of the home. This is the side of a lot where you're going to have a larger property line. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but that little red surveying flag is going to be where the property line is. That's going to go out towards the curb. So that is your view out of your side window in the back living room. Of course, your rear window that goes out to your lanai. Wonderful view of the water. And then let's walk up to the front living room. Okay. Your windows in the dining room. This is classified as dining. It's got the light fixture up. And then windows that go out to the front porch. And then of course you have your small case windows next to your front door.